crazy Nancy Pelosi's political career once and for all. Our country is being destroyed. Biden and the far-left lunatics are waging war on Pennsylvania energy, crushing Pennsylvania jobs, and strangling Pennsylvania families with soaring prices like you've never seen before.
They want to do away with the Affordable Care Act. And that means millions of people with pre-existing conditions lose their insurance completely. No matter how hard they try to get rid of Obamacare, I'm never going to let it happen.
And now, in order to make our country successful and safe and glorious, I will very, very, very probably do it again, okay? Very, very, very probably. This is the year we're going to take back the House, we're going to take back the Senate, we're going to take back America, and in 2024, most importantly, we are going to take back our magnificent White House, right? We're going to take it back. We're just 5 days away from the most important midterm election in American history, and we need a landslide so big that the radical left cannot rig it or steal it. The bigger it is. Far better than voting by mail-in ballot is voting in and on Election Day.